Welcome back to English Stories with Emma and Alex. Today, our favorite characters are going on an exciting weekend trip to a beautiful city. They booked a lovely hotel room online, but sometimes digital systems can make mistakes. Arriving at a hotel and finding out there is a problem with your reservation can be very stressful. Let's see how Emma and Alex manage their situation today. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please listen very carefully to find the answer. What solution did the receptionist offer when their room was not available? The answer will be mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comments section at the end of the video. Writing in English helps you learn much faster. All right, relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Wow, the lobby looks so elegant. I love the modern design and all these plants.
Yes, it's beautiful. And look, there's no line at the reception. Let's check in right away so we can drop off our heavy bags.
Good idea. You have the confirmation code on your phone, right?
Yep, right here.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, good afternoon. We have a reservation for 2 nights under the name Alex Smith. Here is my confirmation code on my phone.
Thank you, sir. Let me check our system. One moment, please. I see your name, Mr. Smith, but it looks like your reservation was automatically canceled this morning. Our system shows that the payment did not go through.
Canceled? That's impossible. I received a confirmation email yesterday, and the money was deducted from my bank account. Look, I can show you the bank receipt on my screen.
Oh, I see the receipt. I am very sorry about this. It seems like a technical glitch in our online booking system.
Oh dear, do you have another double room available for us? We are very tired after our long flight.
Let me check our room availability. Unfortunately, because of the holiday weekend, all our standard double rooms are completely booked.
Oh no, what should we do now? Where are we going to stay?
Please don't worry. We will fix this. Since this was a mistake on our side, I can upgrade you to our executive suite on the 5th floor for the exact same price.
Wow, really? An upgrade? That sounds perfect. Thank you so much for solving this so quickly.
It is our pleasure. Here are your key cards for room 512. Breakfast is served from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. The Wi-Fi password is on the key sleeve. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness, Alex. This suite is incredible. It's twice as big as our apartment.
Look at this massive bed and the view of the river from the balcony. That system glitch was the best thing that could happen to us.
Definitely. Let me try to connect to the Wi-Fi so I can send pictures to my mom. Did it work for you?
Yes, it connected instantly. The internet speed is very fast here. Let's unpack and go get some dinner at the hotel restaurant.
I like that this restaurant uses digital tablets to order food. It's so convenient. Let's see the menu.
That's great. I would love a glass of fresh lemonade first. Can you add it to the cart?
Sure. 1 lemonade for you, and I'll select a sparkling water with a slice of lemon for myself. What about the main course?
I think I'm gonna try the seafood pasta. I love Mediterranean food. What are you planning to get?
I'm starving, so I'll click on the steak with grilled vegetables. Okay, I'm sending the order to the kitchen now. Wow, the food arrived so fast. Bon appetit. How is your steak?
It's fantastic. The sauce is so rich and flavorful. How is your steak?
This steak is cooked perfectly. It's incredibly tender. So, what's the plan for tomorrow morning?
I want to visit the historic Old Town and see the ancient cathedral, but knowing myself, I'll probably want a midnight snack later tonight.
You never change. You always get hungry right before bed. Let's find a self-service grocery store nearby after dinner.
All right, let's scan our snacks at this self-checkout machine. First, the bottle of water.
Don't forget the bag of potato chips and this dark chocolate.
Okay, let's scan them. Look at the screen. The total is $8.50.
The machine is asking, how would you like to pay?
I will tap my contactless debit card right here on the reader. Perfect. Payment approved.
Great. Let's grab the receipt and head back. The night air is so warm and pleasant. Walking after that heavy dinner was a great idea.
Definitely. The city looks so quiet and peaceful at night. Let's get some rest now. Tomorrow is a big day.
Good morning. We would like to check out, please. We were in room 512. Here are the keys.
Good morning. Certainly. Let me finalize your bill. Everything is covered by your online booking, except for the dinner at the restaurant last night. The total for dinner is $45.
That's correct. I will pay that with my credit card.
Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Perfect. Here is your final invoice and receipt. Did you enjoy your time with us?
Oh, we loved it. The executive suite was breathtaking, and your customer service was top-notch.
We are delighted to hear that. Thank you for staying with us, and have a safe journey back home.
Goodbye.
What an unforgettable trip! We started with a canceled reservation and ended up in a luxury suite.
Yes, it taught me that if something goes wrong, you just need to explain it calmly, and the staff will help you.
Exactly. It was a great learning experience. So where are we traveling next?
Let's start planning on our way home.
What a wonderful trip! Emma and Alex solved a difficult problem at the check-in desk and ended up having a fantastic vacation. Dealing with mistakes in English can be tricky, but speaking calmly and clearly always helps to find a solution. Now, let's see if you listened carefully to the story. Here is the question from the beginning one more time. What solution did the receptionist offer when their room was not available? Did you find the answer? If you did, please type your answer in the comments section below this video. Even a very short and simple sentence is perfect. Practicing your English writing like this is the best way to build your confidence. If you enjoyed this hotel adventure with Emma and Alex today, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and create more stories for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.